Hi friends, I am Dev Ode. You are watching my channel Ami Bhavagude. Just you can see a beautiful morning is going to starting here. You can see just this is I am here at Mechuka. Though it is raining already, yesterday whole day and night it was raining here, and now it is cloudy. You can see the total ambience. It is cloudy here, but I can think it will give me some space to shooting something more for you and to me also. And you can see beyond the trees there is the mountain which is covering with snow, the snowy peak mountain there on the horizon, and you can see all around me. It is a beautiful morning here. I have got it here at Mechuka. I have came here yesterday. You can see I am just getting here at Mechuka. This is a beautiful gate here. I have got it. Misty weather all around the valley. You can see the total clouds. It is welcome to Mechuka town. It is one of the small town here, and it is sharing the border with China. It is the Indo-China border here. So it is a place where the security related things are very much tight, and you can see it is a beautiful place to visit here. But before visit here, you have to know all the related documents properly, otherwise you can't visit here. You can see the security persons are just running away. You will find it every time. I am here at Mechuka, and you can see the beautiful gates behind me, and the far away you can see the peaks are covered with snow. Snowy peaks are there, and along all the valley you will get here the clouds covered it here. All the horizons you can see the pine forest and the clouds. It is a beautiful city here. I am here at Mechuka. Mechuka means in their tongue the medicinal snow water, that is called Mechuka. It is 29 kilometers away from China. It is sharing the border with China, that is called McMahon line. It is just 29 kilometers away from here. And this is a beautiful city, and peoples also here. I got beautiful peoples. Mainly the Momba or Monpa tribe, Tagin tribes are living here. There are 5 tribes are here in this Mechuka and the surrounding villages, that is Memba, Tagin, Ramo, Bokar, Libo. All the 5 tribes are living here in this small hilly town, and you can see the beautiful peoples are here all around the small city. People always welcoming you to their houses and showing their cultures also. Yesterday I got 2 people here with one ADC office here, and the one people is the PA of the DC here. Another was the travel guide who guide me to get the all security related permission, and thereafter they took me on their car, and that was the evening time, and they traveled me in this ship. I can't take the video of that. That was rainy and black, just dark evening there, but they promised me to today also they will take me a ride here to the sightseeing, the beautiful places around this valley. I am going towards from there. अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा। I have got found a Radha Krishna temple also here at Mechuka. Though all they have the local peoples, the Momba tribes, the Tagin tribes, and all other 5 tribes, they are all, most of all the believes the Buddhism, Buddhist believer. Hello, where are you from? कहाँ से आ रहे हो?
मेचुका।
मेचुका से। ये मेचुका का रास्ता है ना?
हाँ।
तुम्हारा घर कहाँ है? इसी तरफ है?
नदी का साइड है।
अच्छा, ऐसे घूमने जा रहे हो?
हाँ।
Hello, where are you from? कहाँ से आ रहे हो? ये घूमने जा रहे हो? So dear, you using this kind of place, and I found it unique here. I think it is a restaurant here. So what are you offering here in your restaurant?
चाव मोमो।
अच्छा।
तुप्पा। चाय कॉफी।
बस ठीक है, फाइन। मुझे अच्छा लगा रास्ते में घूम के।
आप अकेले आए हो?
हाँ, मैं अकेले ही हूँ।
वैसे आप कहाँ से हो?
मैं तो कुचबिहार से हूँ। I found it is a beautiful place and beautiful people also here. Okay, namaste. Oh, hello. Where are you from? आप कहाँ से आ रहे हो? मेचुका से। अभी कहाँ जा रहे हो?
घूमने जा रहे हैं।
कहाँ घूमने जा रहे हो? दार्जिलिंग वो विलेज कितना दूर है यहाँ से?
I think 45 या 35
मिनट्स। और गांव जाने में? अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है। वेलकम। नमस्ते। मैं तो कुचबिहार से आया। एंड योर नेम? ओके। I am getting a ride here from his brother. He is taking me just far away from here. You can see it is, I am here at Mechuka, and it is sharing the border with China. It is the McMahon lines sitting here, McMahon lines here, and so it is very much restricted place in respect of security. And some problem is here also. the electricity problem from yesterday night. It is not getting there any kind of electricity, scarcity of electricity here. So due to not getting the electricity, the network also not doing its work. So it is now no network covering is here now. Just you can see the forces are doing their morning exercise here. Okay. Thank you, bro. Morning. I can go there. May I go there? Just
Please off the camera.
okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Hello. You will get it here. All the things are just looking like this. All the serene, the tranquil town here. I am here at Mechuca. It is one of the remotest town here at nearest to Indo-China border. Town here nearest to China occupied Tibet and the Tibetan connection You will get it here. I am here at Mechuka, Arunachal Pradesh.